Hello, welcome to the Ceiling Fan World. And what we have here is the Harbor Breeze Armitage Builder Series in a 42-inch. You see it's got some, it's white finish. I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. Starting with the low speed. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Since it's going to be some screw up with the pull chain, I might as well take it out. Sorry about that. Now let's go for a medium. It blows a decent amount of air on medium. Let's do a zoom in. Alright. Now let's go for the high speed. Let's tighten up the light kit. Yeah, it shouldn't be doing that. I know. How bad does it look? I know. Let's get close to the fan. Blows the amount of air on high. Alright, let's shut it off. And that's it for the video. I hope you enjoy it. Click the like button and click the subscribe button and click subscribe to my channel. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.